pregnant, 7 months, and you're getting cough. Correct. Is your husband there, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My husband is here.
Hi, sir.
Sir, I need you to do something to help your wife. I need to read forgiveness for people who may not be happy with you.
Yes, sir. I read that.
You read, huh?
He read affirmation.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Just.
You read, huh? Okay. Now, there's one lady from your own family not happy with you also. One lady from your own family, okay?
One lady.
Yeah, one lady from your own family, sir. That's why I'm asking you to call me. That's all, okay?
In his family, only one brother and he.
Madam, think of a lady. A lady can be from the father's side, from the mother's side. A lot of people, madam. Please.
Okay.
Can also be a sister-in-law if you married, your brother is married, madam. Many things. Just think of a lady. I cannot be giving suggestion. I think of a lady, you think. And I say yes or no. That's all. Okay, think of a lady, madam. Think of a lady, sir. Thinking.
He don't know who's that lady, sir.
Madam, I say think. I say yes or no. You don't have to know. You just think.
Okay.
Think. I say yes. I say then we go on and find the lady. I'm sure you do not know. That's why you're having this problem. If you know, then it's a very easy thing, madam. You go to a doctor. The doctor says, don't know what's the problem. You know, you go back home. I don't know what's the problem. Medically, I cannot find anything. That doesn't mean you let it go. So like that, you find a lady, sir. Think of a lady, sir, please. Are you thinking of a lady, sir? Your wife is coughing now. Are you thinking of a lady?
What's it?
Hello?
Sir, what, sir? What you're saying?
Is your husband thinking of a lady, madam?
Yes, sir. Thinking.
Say, tell me, yes, I don't know what you're thinking now. Thinking. Now, read page number 7 for the lady you're thinking right now. Read page number 7, sir.
ఎవరి గురించి ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు వాళ్ళ గురించి అంటే చదువు
సర్వోన్నతమైన పరమాత్మకు దివ్య పిత దివ్య మాత నా ఉన్నతమైన ఆత్మకు ఉన్నతాత్మకు సమస్త ఆధ్యాత్మిక మార్గదర్శకులకు సహాయకులకు మరియు గురువులకు సమస్త శ్రీస్త దేవదూతలకు మహాకర్మ మండలికి నేనే తాను భగవాన్ మమ్మల్ని విధంగా కలిపినందులకు నీకు కృతజ్ఞతలు నా కర్మలను సంతులనం చేసుకున్నట్టుకు అనుమతించినందుకు కృతజ్ఞతలు నేను ఈ దివ్య ఆదేశాన్ని ప్రణాళికను అంగీకరిస్తున్నాను నేను తెలిసి గానీ తెలియక గానీ ఈ జన్మలో గానీ గత జన్మలో గానీ నీకు నీ కుటుంబానికి చేసిన అన్ని తప్పులు మరియు శ్రీవరంగా బాధించినందుకు నన్ను క్షమించమని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను ఈ కారణంగా నీవు నా ఎడల మరియు నా కుటుంబం ఎడల హాని చేయవలసి వచ్చింది అందుకు మేము మరలి మీరు నాకు నా కుటుంబానికి చేసిన అన్ని తప్పులను నేను క్షమిస్తున్నాను మరి మర్చిపోతున్నాను మన మధ్య శాంతి సుహృదభావము వర్ధిల్లుగాక దయచేసి ప్రశాంతం ఉండము నేను ఈ నిర్దేశాన్ని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అంగీకరిస్తున్నాను భగవాన్ కృతజ్ఞతలు Yes, sir, I read that case.
Okay, think of the lady, sir. Think of the lady. And say, please forgive me and my family if we have knowingly or unknowingly hurt you in any way. Just keep on saying that, sir. Please forgive me and my family if knowingly or unknowingly hurt you in any way. Okay, keep on doing that.
Yeah, please forgive my family. Yes, sir, I did.
Keep on doing that, sir. Keep on doing it. Now, you must read to this lady forgiveness 1, 2, 3 times a day. You must read forgiveness to the lady. Understand, sir?
Okay, sir.
Can you do that?
Yes, we can.
Okay, start doing that, huh? Now, madam, you have the healing wand with you? Madam?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, you must do.
Yes, sir, I have,
you must
sir.
do an aura cleansing. Ida Pingla. Do aura cleansing in the morning. Do aura cleansing in the evening. Okay. Then do Ida Pingala. Heal a throat chakra. Heal a back throat chakra. Heal a back head chakra. Heal a stomach. Okay, madam.
Okay, sir.
Do it 1-2 days. If you still have, then call me. Understand?
Okay, sir.
You also need forgiveness.
One more.
Do not eat acidic food. Take
Okay.
some ginger. Your body is very cold. Take some heaty food. Take some ginger or a bit of honey if you need. Just a little bit.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam?
Okay, sir. Sir, one more thing.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah,
my
madam.
husband is trying job from 1 year. Since 1 year, he is trying to a job
Yeah, things will become fine, madam. Things will become
to join
fine.
another company.
Things will become fine, madam.
sir-
But keep on doing, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, and I got a job last 2 months, before 2 months.
You have no?
And now I'm attending client interviews many times. Sir?
What are you having?
Before 2 months, I have joined in a company. I got job. Since from 2 months onwards, I'm attending the client interviews, but not yet selected. I
Okay.
attended many.
Okay, never mind. You start doing this affirmations off, okay? Something become good, okay?
Okay, sir.
Do divine favor for your
Sir,
job.
okay, sir. Sir, my first baby, Miduna, has unwanted hair very much in his body, in her body. What to do for that, sir?
How old is she?
3 years old.
3 years, sir. 3 running, sir.
Okay, can you heal her endocrine glands or heal all endocrine gland, madam? Madam, please heal her endocrine glands.
Endocrine.
Mm.
Endocrine, sir.
Yes, madam, all the endocrine glands.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Okay, sir.
Heal all the endocrine glands and this heal, okay?
Sir?
Heal all the endocrine glands of the body.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam?
That's it, sir.
Yeah, that's all.